Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your audio into animation using adobe.com and mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, adobe.com/animation. And you need to open this website to use this website to create animation with your voice or your audio. And then I'm just going to click on start now. Okay, and just wait for a moment guys. Okay, and here we will be able to customize the character, background, and also the size. And for the character, I'm just going to choose this one, guys. Okay, and for the background, I'm going to select this one. Okay, then you can also choose the size, but here I'm just going to choose landscape. Okay, then you have to record your character's dialogue, or you can browse file from your device. And I'm just going to browse the file from my device. I'm going to upload the text to speech I have just created. I'm going to upload this audio. Okay, and after that, we're going to wait for a moment until the animation is created. Okay, and now the animation has been created, guys, and I'm going to play it to take a look at the result.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal moment in history, it is imperative that we confront the reality of climate change with urgency.
And if we want to download the animation we have just created, we can click on download, but we have to sign up to the Adobe Express to download this animation. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn our voice or audio to cartoon animation using adobe.com. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.